spacious and luxurious living and dining area, where you will be getting two parallel platforms. You can see this over here is your master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be doing the sample flat tour of the residential project El Major by Earth Realty located in Dadar, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual lobby of the project in the actual tower. And I will also take you to the main road and show you the neighborhood later in this video. We will be getting into all the details of this project, but first let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 0.5 acres that will have two towers. Right behind me you can see the two towers, Tower A, and beside that is Tower B. That is of ground plus 20 story, having 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium luxury residences. And now speaking of amenities, this project has all basic amenities like gym, kids play area, co-working space, ramp car park and many more. And now before getting into the location and connectivity, let me tell you that we are standing at the actual location of the project. This over here is the main road. Also you can have a look at the Eastern Express Highway that you can connect within 2 minutes. The road to the left leads you to the suburbs. And from the right of the project, you can go directly to Sobo. Now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located near Ruia College, Dadar, from where Dadar railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes, Matunga Central railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes, Wadala railway station is at a distance of 5 minutes, and you have all international school, colleges, hospital within the distance of 1 kilometer from the project. And to know about more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. And now we are entering the 3 BHK of the residential project El Major. This 3 BHK is spread across the carpet area of 1362 square feet. As we enter, you can see this over here is your spacious and luxurious living and dining area. You can see how spacious your living area is. You will be getting marble flooring in the whole apartment, and you can easily place your large size sofa, center table and customize your TV unit in your living. In the living, you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for beautiful views. Also, we are standing at the actual flat and the actual tower, so you can have a look at the actual view from the apartment. And as you can see, your living and dining is very spacious. Over here, you can easily place a dining table of 8 to 10 people and enjoy mealtime with your friends and family. You can easily address a gathering of 20 to 25 people at the very same time, and you will have plenty of walkable space even after placing all your furniture. This project speaks luxury from each and every corner. And moving forward, over here, we have your kitchen area, where you will be getting two parallel platforms along with the stainless steel sink. You can see how spacious your kitchen is. But 3 to 4 people can walk at the very same time. You can also customize your lower and your upper cabinets as per your choice. Your space provided to place your refrigerator, and again in the kitchen you have a dryer space attached where you can place your washing machine. Moving forward towards the bedrooms of this 3 BHK, to the left of the kitchen you have your first bedroom. As we enter, you can see how spacious this bedroom is. You can easily place a king-size bed along with your side tables. You can customize your wardrobes. You can also place a seating corner if you wish to. And And again in the bedroom also you will be getting marble flooring, and you have two side ventilation in this bedroom. You have one window on this side and the other window on this side, from where also you can enjoy the city views. And now as we exit from this bedroom, right to the left of the bedroom you have the common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Moving forward, on this side we have two other bedrooms. First to my left is your second bedroom that when we enter you can see is very spacious. You can customize this bedroom totally as per your choice. You can see how spacious the bedroom is. And again, over here you will be getting half French windows with glass facade for your safety and beautiful standing balcony look. Also, you have two common washrooms in this apartment. As we exit from this bedroom, to the right, you have your second common washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. Also, you can see you have extra space provided in this corner where you can also place an extra wash basin if you wish to. And before moving towards the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey gives you. Housey gives you sample flat tours, we give you actual location tours, we tell you the pros and cons of the project and give you full pricing including EMI and down payment plans. We also give you a 360-degree view of the project, and then if you want to book your own free site visit, you can register on housey.com. Now let's move to the master bedroom of this 3 BHK. As we enter, you can see this over here is your master bedroom. That is very spacious. You can place a king size bed along with the side table. You can customize your wardrobe, and this bedroom is very spacious even if you want to place a study corner. And again, this bedroom has two side ventilation. One window is on this side and the second larger window is on this side. That is half French window with glass facade with beautiful city views. Moving forward, on this side we have your private washroom that will come with anti-skid tiles and all the high-end wall fittings. And this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project El Major. If you like the project, you can download the e-brochure by clicking on the link mentioned in the description below. Also, you have been watching our videos for so long now. How do you like our videos and what changes should we make according to you? Do let us know in the comments, and don't forget to follow and subscribe Housey for more such sample flat videos. So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of the residential project El Major by Earth Realty located in Dadar, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.